Indoor AF. Hey, Indoor AF, what are you getting for our hike?
We got wood glow, so we can attach sticks together.
You got anything else in there?
Duck.
Oh.
I think they probably will be around, so.
Is there anything else that you want to bring for the hike?
Yeah, guitar. I don't play.
For around the campfire?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, Indoor AF, we're going to need some bark to throw down on the ground before we light the fire. Can you get something?
Yeah. Here it is.
We need something bigger. That's what she said.
Poncho down. Nest kit, U.S. Army surplus. The infamous sit pad. Holtzbrook hatchet. Little stuff. Stuff that snaps right away. Don't use the green stuff, that's still live. It's a pine tree or a fir or spruce, I don't know, one of those. And get these for the first layer of your fire. All these little pencil lead sized things. And you'll make it into a bird's nest, like you saw in the other video. And you'll see again on this one. Hey, like I showed you in the last video, using the crux of a tree as like a sawhorse. Brilliant and efficient way to saw off your wood. Got my hatchet. Take the cover off, put it in a safe place, don't lose it. I put it on my glove. You'll notice this piece of wood already has a natural check in it. That's where you want to bury your blade of the hatchet. Put the blade right into that check and just lightly tap it in first and then beat the crap out of it. Bam. Hey, this is how I carry my knife. Around the shoulder. No more of that. I can't find it on my waist. I'm gonna cut my butt cheek.
Losers.
Right here. Check this out. Mora. Stick it right back in. It's right there. It doesn't even get in the way. So now I'm gonna show you how to baton a piece of wood that I already got with the hatchet. You could use the hatchet for this, but I'm gonna use my knife just to show you. Like that. I got my baton right here and bam, bam. Small stuff. I'm going to do it again. And you can go even more.
Gosh, Adam, that looks easy. I could do that. Wow.
There you go, Indoor AF.
I like being out here in the wilderness. It makes you feel one with nature. Oh my, what the? It's a beer. It's stuck out on the ice. I need to help it. Look, it's stuck out. I can't move. I have to go help it. I have to get that beer. I'm gonna lower myself. I got you. I got it.
Indoor AF is stuck out on the ice. He doesn't know where to go. Hey, Indoor AF, just walk this way like 10 feet. That's land.
How can you tell?
I'm on it.
Oh, all right.
Yep.
I have my birch bark down, doing the old fire rub stick stuff thing. Ready?
Get him, Adam.
Warm enough?
Yep. good.
Fresh cured bacon cooking on an open fire. Should be done in about 3 hours, right?
I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Too bad you're having bacon.
There's Indoor AF enjoying his cowboy coffee. Indoor AF with the bacon. How is it?
Charred.
Charred?
Charred.
Some people dig that, okay? Leave me alone.
Oh, this is a piece of wood. I mean, never
Oh.
mind. Hang on.
We'll get some bacon.